Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature on the Facebook app, how to view your activity log in 2025. Whether you're trying to keep tabs on your posts, comments, or even manage your privacy settings, the activity log is your go-to tool. It's especially handy in this digital age where staying organized online is key. So, let's jump right in and get you set up in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your phone. This ensures you're working with the most up-to-date interface for 2025. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account if you haven't already. You'll land on your home feed, but we need to head over to your profile. Just tap on your profile picture in the top left or bottom right corner, depending on your app layout. Now, once you're on your profile page, look for the menu options. You'll see a three-dot icon or settings gear, tap on that. This will bring up a drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, and tap on it. Inside there, look for Your Facebook Information, or something similar. It's been streamlined in 2025 for easier access. Then, select Activity Log. Boom! You'll see a detailed list of all your activities, like posts you've made, comments, likes, and even searches. While you're in the activity log, you can filter by date, type of activity, or even search for specific items. This is great for reviewing what you've been up to or deleting something you no longer want visible. Remember, managing your activity log helps protect your privacy, so take a moment to explore and clean up if needed. And there you have it. That's how you view your activity log on the Facebook app in 2025. It's a quick process that only takes a minute or two, but it can make a big difference in how you control your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.